Hey guys, today I want to tell you about the next huge opportunity the cryptocurrency market has in stock for you. This Solana coin was once such a chance, which began to grow from $1. Thus, retail investors were able to make a vast amount of money because they believed in it from the beginning. And what about the current situation? What to expect from crypto? Let's find out. Recently, cryptocurrency channel Altcoin Daily shared their thoughts on the next big trend that will help many people make a fortune. They believe that crypto gaming will soon explode the entire cryptocurrency market, after which new millionaires will appear. But I went even further. I decided to analyze many play-to-earn projects and chose the top 4 coins with a huge chance to show an explosive price rally in the next bull market. And the first such game is the Sandbox. This is one of the best games for making money on the blockchain. From the beginning, the project was created as an open-world game based on Ethereum. It has since moved to Polygon's Layer 2 to primarily reduce the carbon footprint and fees, as well as increase speed. In my opinion, this decision is definitely the right one, since it has become very popular to observe carbon emissions. Many countries' authorities began to monitor compliance with such rules closely, and the fact that the project focuses to comply with them can only add confidence to investors that there will not be any problems with the regulation of the game in the future. And as for speed optimization, it is also a positive factor that directly affects mass adoption. The Sandbox is similar to the well-known Minecraft. As you can see from the statistics I was able to find, there are more than 170 million fans of minimalist cube design. And more importantly, they all log into the game every month. In addition, the developers are constantly making good profits from their activities. Thus, we can say that Sandbox took the scheme which is tested in practice, and it is bound to succeed with proper management. But that's not all. Unlike Minecraft, Sandbox allows users to create their own items and sell them on a market, forming a whole chain of interactions between players. They can also buy a limited amount of land as NFTs, rent it out, and more. If you look at the coin's chart, as the price moved in the past bull market, you can see quite good volatility. This indicator means that the project is not dead and will show much more profit for its investors in the next bull run. The next play-to-earn project that deserves your attention is Timecodes. This is an entirely new game that, after listing on the OKX exchange, has shown incredible profits. Despite the fact that we're still in a bear market and tokens in such a situation usually cannot grow more than twice as much. The idea is that players first need to raise, train, and feed their pets, and then compete against each other, receiving Tama tokens as a reward. Despite the cryptocurrency bear market, Timecodes received $19 million to complete a pre-sale round in September 2022. And already on September 27, Timecodes was launched on the OKX exchange, a global cryptocurrency exchange available in more than 100 countries. Now, the Tama token has adjusted to acceptable levels for buying. In my experience, Fibonacci levels such as 0.786 and 0.886 are often the smart money buying zone. But remember, I'm not giving any financial advice, so before you decide to buy something, I urge you to do your own analysis. Third on the list is Decentraland. You should already know this project if you have spent some time studying the best P2E games. It offers a virtual world built on the Ethereum blockchain where you can play while earning NFTs. Decentraland is a major competitor to Sandbox, which has also managed to attract many famous companies and brands to its game. These include JP Morgan Bank, Samsung, the Turkish Active Bank, and many others. You can find different ways to earn money in this game. The easiest way is to buy their mana token and hold it. Just look at this crazy price explosion. And this was only the first wave of popularity when the project gained some attention. But there are still many who have not only not heard about this game, but in general about cryptocurrency. Right now, the token stands on solid and critical support with a high volume of trades, so the price is unlikely to break this level. Other options for earning money include buying land, casinos, or businesses in the game. I suppose everything is clear about the land plot. You either sell it when prices go up or rent it out. But as for your business or a casino, you will not be limited in earnings by my previously mentioned options. Developing your business, you can get a decent monthly income from the online business or a commission from the fact that the players often come to your casino and spend their money wanting to win the jackpot. Next, I will tell you about the last rather promising game. In the meantime, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I will be happy to get that kind of support from you, and this will allow me to continue releasing new videos for you, covering different events in the crypto world. And we continue. And my last choice for today is the Star Atlas. The project managed to change the opinion of many critics about the developing technology of play to earn. The game is built on the Solana blockchain, so to be able to play it, you will need SOL tokens to process different transactions and keep track of your NFTs inside the game. Many people found the project idea very interesting. When you start to play, you find yourself in the year 2620, where three main groups compete for resources. It is an alliance of extraterrestrial species, intelligent robots, and humans. I would like to point out a very good factor. The game has built-in deflationary mechanics. That is, the resources used to produce objects are destroyed when a new object is created. This will positively affect the rarity of some items, where the main factor will be how much you play. So if you spend a lot of time in the game, you can earn rare items and sell them on the market later. Although the Atlas token chart looks like a scam, it really isn't. Most altcoins dropped 90–98% in a bear market, and this is normal practice. It is an entirely different question of which of them will manage to rise again and make a fortune for their investors. You have to understand that only those investors who buy assets at the bottom make money, not when assets are already rising. It will not be a mistake if you invest a small part of your money in Atlas tokens because the current risk-to-return ratio is at the reasonable level. But this is not a financial advice. Better decide on your own. By the way, that's it for today. This is the Coin Report channel. Thanks for watching and see you later.